Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today we will study page number 37 of chapter 3, that is Anansi and 5, and two lines from page number 36. Now, so far we have studied about the Anansi, his character, about the old witch. We have also studied about the big magic of the old witch and how Anansi used the magic of the old witch for his own benefit. Now, first of all, I will read out the paragraph and then I will explain it both in English and in Hindi. So these two lines from page number 36, the first line is, Not long after he heard little footstep on the path and looked up. It was Mr. Duck. He walked along with his chest held high and his feet made a slip-slap sound on the path. Now I am going to explain it first in English and then in Hindi. Very soon he looked up as he heard the footstep. Here he means Anansi. This time it was Mr. Duck. He was walking with a proud feeling, which is expressed here with chest high, and his feet were making a slip-slap sound on the path. Got it? Now I am explaining it in Hindi. बहुत ही जल्द अनांसी को फिर से किसी के कदमों की आहट हुई, मतलब उसको किसी के चलने की आवाज सुनाई पड़ी. जब उसने ऊपर देखा तो इस बार मिस्टर डक थे. मिस्टर डक गर्व के साथ सीना ऊपर करके चल रहे थे और उनके पैरों से स्लिप स्लैप में थप थप की आवाज हो रही थी. ओके, नाउ पेज नंबर 37. He had a bag with his lunch in it by his side. Mr. Duck stopped when he saw Anansi and asked him how he was. Anansi put a glum expression. Mr. Duck, I have no idea how to count my yum plant. Can you help me, please? Now I am going to explain this first paragraph first in English and then in Hindi. Mr. Duck was carrying a big bag which was having lunch in it when Anansi inquired about the well-being. Well-being means here that how is Mr. Duck of Mr. Duck. He stopped there. Anansi showed sad expression. Glum means, here the word used na, glum. Glum means sad expression in front of Mr. Duck and told him that he did not know how to count the yum which he was planted. Anansi requested Mr. Duck to help him in counting the yums. अब हिंदी में समझाऊंगी. मिस्टर डक के पास एक बैग था जिसमें वो अपना लंच लेकर जा रहा था. जब अनांसी ने मिस्टर डक से उसका हालचाल पूछा तो मिस्टर डक वहीं रुक गया. अनांसी ने ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन दिखाया जैसे कि वो बहुत दुखी हो. अनांसी ने मिस्टर डक से बोला कि वो नहीं जानता कि वो अपने लगाए हुए या उगाए हुए, कुछ भी कह सकते हैं आप, यम प्लांट को कैसे काउंट करें. अनांसी ने मिस्टर डक से मदद करने की रिक्वेस्ट की. ओके, नाउ मिस्टर डक bobbed his head and puffed out his chest even further. Well, Anansi, he said, it was quite simple. Start with 1 and then it's 2, 3, 4 and 5. Mr. Duck disappeared. Instantly, Anansi ate up the lunch. Now I am going to explain it in English and then in Hindi again. When Anansi requested Mr. Duck to help him, Mr. Duck kept his head high and chest more wider with a proud. Here, bobbed. Bobbed means to move quickly up and down. Okay, to move. So Mr. Duck moved his head up and down in the feeling and puffed his chest wider. Puffed his chest wider means it shows the feeling of proud. Mr. Duck said to Anansi that it was very simple. Mr. Duck started to count the amount to explain the Anansi. Mr. Duck said 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And Mr. Duck said to Anansi that count from 1 and after that 2, 3, 4 and 5. And as soon as he pronunciated 5, Mr. Duck immediately disappeared. Why Mr. Duck was disappeared? Because of the magic of the old witch. After that, Anansi ate whole lunch which Mr. Duck was carrying in his bag. Okay? Now I am going to explain it in Hindi. जब एनांसी ने मिस्टर डक से हेल्प मांगी तो मिस्टर डक को बहुत गर्व हुआ और उन्होंने अपना सर और ऊंचा करके और अपना चेस्ट और फुला के चलने लगे. उनको लगा अरे वाह, मैं तो बहुत इंटेलिजेंट हूं कि कोई मुझसे हेल्प मांग रहा है. मिस्टर डक ने एनांसी को बोला अरे ये तो काउंटिंग बहुत इजी है. वह बोले नंबर 1 से शुरू करो और उसके बाद 2, 3, 4 और 5. जैसे ही मिस्टर डक ने बोला 5 और वो गायब हो गया. क्यों गायब हो गया? वो इसलिए गायब हो गया क्योंकि ओल्ड विच का मैजिक था कि जो भी 5 बोलेगा, नंबर 5 बोलेगा, वो क्या हो जाएगा? गायब हो जाएगा. और इसीलिए मिस्टर डक भी गायब हो गया. और जैसे ही मिस्टर डक गायब हुआ वैसे ही अनंसी ने उस बैग में जो भी लंच रखा था वो सारा लंच क्या किया? खा लिया. ओके, नाउ we shall start from here. Now I know you will be wondering about Anansi's family. Did he think about them? Did he save any food for them? No, he did not. He ate everything without a thought about any of them. Okay? Now the explanation of this paragraph. Here now there is no surprise that you all will be thinking about the Anansi's family. But whether Anansi was thinking about his family, whether he kept some food for his family, so much questions are coming in your mind. But the answer is no. No, Anansi did not save or kept food for them. Instead, he ate whole food at his own without any consideration of his family member. And this shows the selfishness of Anansi. Okay? This paragraph shows the selfishness of Anansi. अब मैं हिंदी में बताती हूँ कि इस पैराग्राफ में क्या बताया गया है. अब आप लोग अनांसी के फैमिली मेंबर के बारे में सोच रहे होंगे, पर क्या अनांसी अपनी फैमिली मेंबर के बारे में सोच रहा था? क्या उसने अपने परिवार के लिए कुछ खाना बचाया? नहीं, अनांसी अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स के बारे में बिल्कुल नहीं सोच रहा था. उसने अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स के बारे में कोई भी खाना नहीं बचाया था. उसने जो भी खाना मिला वो सारा खाना क्या किया? खुद ही खा गया. ओके, सो इसका आंसर ये है कि अनांसी ने अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स के बारे में बिल्कुल नहीं सोचा, सिर्फ उसने अपने बारे में सोचा. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट टू कम अलोंग ऑन हर वे to the market to buy some tasty treats was Mrs. Frog. She did not stop, and when Anansi called after her, hey, please help me count my plants, she laughed. No way, count them by yourself, she called over his shoulder as she hopped away. Now explanation of this chapter. After the disappearance of Mr. Duck, in this paragraph Mr. Duck was disappeared. Now after that, this is the chance of Frog. After this disappearance of Mr. Duck, it was Miss Frog who came on that way to buy some food item from the market. But Miss Frog did not stop there, despite calling of Anansi for help. Anansi even called her from the back to help him in counting his yum plants. Okay, now I am going to explain it in Hindi. Mr. Duck के बाद उस रास्ते पर जो आया वो थी मिस फ्रॉग, जो कि मार्केट कुछ टेस्टी मीन्स स्वादिष्ट खाना लेने जा रही थी। लेकिन अनांसी की मदद की आवाज के बावजूद भी मिस फ्रॉग वहां पे नहीं रुकी। मतलब अनांसी ने उसको अपनी हेल्प के लिए आवाज दिया कि वहां पे रुको और मेरी हेल्प करो, लेकिन उसकी आवाज के बाद भी मिस फ्रॉग जो थी वो वहां पे नहीं रुकी। अनांसी उसको पीछे से भी आवाज देता रहा कि वो उसके प्लांट को काउंट करने में मदद करे, लेकिन मिस फ्रॉग नहीं रुकी। मिस फ्रॉग here now I'm going to read these two lines. She laughed. No way, couldn't count them by yourself, she called over her shoulder as she hopped away. Miss Frog laughed and replied to Anansi to count the plant at his own. By saying this, Miss Frog kept jumping on his way. Miss Frog ने हंसते हुए अनांसी को कहा कि वो खुद काउंट कर ले। ऐसा बोलते हुए मिस फ्रॉग अपने रास्ते पर जंप करते हुए आगे बढ़ गई। ओके, नाउ I did not bother Anansi too much because he knew he would be plenty more chance for him to try his trick out. He imagined what delicious food he would find. He did not imagine taking any to his hungry children. He was going to eat as much as he could fit in his stomach and then come back and try the trick again on another day. Now I am going to explain this paragraph in English. But Anansi was not worried because of it. Because of what? As Miss Frog did not stop there. He was well aware, Anansi was well aware that there will be many more coming on his path. There will be many more person coming on his path or trek. And Anansi will get lot of chance to apply the magic for his benefit. He kept thinking about the tasty and delicious food, variety of food you can say, he will be getting there. But for not single moment he thought or worried about his hungry children or other family members. Anansi has decided to eat as much as he can eat, and thereafter he will come back on another day to apply the magic for his benefit. Now I am going to explain it in Hindi. Mrs. Frog ने के नहीं रुकने से अनांसी परेशान नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि उसे पता था कि अभी बहुत से लोग आएंगे जो खाना लेने के लिए, टेस्टी खाना लेने के लिए या चीजें खरीदने के लिए बाजार जाएंगे, और वो उन लोगों पर अपना मैजिक क्या कर सकेगा, अप्लाई कर सकेगा। मतलब कि अनांसी के पास अभी और बहुत चांस था जिस पर वो अपना मैजिक अप्लाई कर सकेगा। और अनांसी अभी भी सिर्फ अपने बारे में ही सोच रहा था, उसने एक बार भी अपने बच्चों या अपने परिवार के बारे में नहीं सोचा। वो सिर्फ जो कुछ मिल रहा था वो सब कुछ खुद ही खाना चाह रहा था, खुद ही खा रहा था। उसने एक बार भी अपने बच्चे या अपने परिवार के बारे में नहीं सोचा। तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल हम फिर कंटिन्यू करेंगे पेज नंबर 37 के फ्रॉम दिस पैराग्राफ। ओके, टिल देन रिवाइज इट।